Okay, so ignore all of this. We're gonna be working on that. Not that. That. The journey. I think it's time. I picked this journey up for $500, and now that I'm looking at it, I need to get this vending machine out of the way. All right, so we're gonna be working on the journey. This needs an engine, according to the previous owner. Like I said, I picked it up for 500 bucks. It's a 2012 Dodge Journey with about 160,000 miles. I just ordered an engine for it, 160,000 mile engine. I'm not sure why this one blew up, but they said that the rod went through the block. So I tried looking and I couldn't see a rod through the block, but this is what we're gonna be working on for the next couple weeks probably. I do have the complete service manual for this, the replacement for everything. Because I can't do this in my driveway, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building sort of a platform for this so that the engine hoist can go on there. I'm kind of just winging it, but I have plenty of these little pavers and we're going to be utilizing those. Hopefully it works out. As you can see here, the previous owner started taking this engine out. Kind of went a little too far too quick without unhooking a bunch of stuff. So yeah, this is where we're at. The airbox isn't even removed. But this is where we're gonna start. We're gonna start with the bricks on the ground. I already flipped that over, pain in the butt, by the way, and disconnected the battery. It was already disconnected. And this is what we're dealing with. 3.6 Pentastar. I think once we get the engine out, we'll find out if there's actually a rod through the block or if the person who diagnosed it was giving them a hard time. I'm not sure if this engine's actually shot, but we've got some wiring harness issues here, and whoever took this apart did not know what they were doing. Biting off more than we can chew here, but maybe by chance the new engine will come with a harness. Doubt it. A few minutes later, we have the Journey up on jack stands. We've got the little area for my pavers. I'm going to be adding some more, but this is a good place to start. And I think from here we'll just start going down the list and see what's been done and what needs to be done. I don't know. So I can already see there's a few steps that we can skip. Drain the oil. Half of it's gone. The other half we will have to drain right now, I guess. All it's supposed to feel. Well, we got this far. The battery on my camera died, so we're just gonna stop it here. The next step is to remove the wheels and the intermediate shaft, the half shafts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop here and close this up, put the tools away, and we'll come back and we'll do it another day. All right, we got a bit of an update. The engine is out. Wiring's there, and transmission's there, engine's there. I've taken some of it apart. You'll see that we have lots and lots of pieces. And you'll actually, on the inside of this engine, I'll show you guys later, there is chaos. And if you look right over here, you can see why we're replacing it. There's a big hole in the block. So it's been about 2 weeks. I finally got the engine here. I've got the transmission here, car's ready to go. And what I need to do, I'm working on dirt here, so I put some pavers down for the cherry picker. But what I need to do is I need to get this all prepped and ready to go. And I need to hook it up. I need to move the truck forward. I need to flip this 180 degrees and then drop it somewhere near this so I can slide it under the car to get the car lowered down and the engine lifted up. Great. This is gonna be fun. We got the new engine in. It is in there and it's just loosely in there. We've got the transmission mount hooked up, part of the motor mount hooked up, still a couple bolts I could tighten there. And I got the seals done on the oil cooler. I'm waiting for seals for the lower intake manifold. Once I get those in, hook that up. We've got a few more things to hook up. Next step is gonna be taking these wires, putting them over here, and getting them wired up to the things, mostly in the back. It's been a long project, and I can actually tell you, I smashed this coil pack right here. And I smashed the coolant temperature sensor. So that was a bummer. So I have those on the way, and I don't have a new coil pack on the way. I actually have one sitting right over there on that truck. Once this is done, it's gonna be a good running vehicle. Assuming that engine is good, I hope it is, because I don't want to go through this work again. All right, we're on the first startup after replacing the engine. Key. Thought the key was in here. Yeah, right here. All right. Let's see. No leaks that I can see, but also no crank. Give me a second. Maybe. Flashing check engine light. All right, let's scan it, see what we got going on. Well, little diagnosis. I think the starter's dead. I'm not 100% sure, but it acts like it wants to go, but it doesn't crank. So I think the starter itself is dead. All right, new starter installed. Let's see if it'll start now. Started. There we go. Perfect. All right, cool. So we have this done. This coolant hose to put back on. That's why we didn't run it very long. And that motor mount, because I had to take it off to replace the starter. Brand new, you can't see it. Brand new starter anyway. Whew, I'm glad it started. Do we have any leaks? I didn't even look. I don't see any leaks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is finished. The 2012 Dodge Journey is done. Now, the back's open, but... And when I say done, I mean almost done. I still have to put that on. Not a big deal. And these are broken, so probably end up replacing those. I tried cleaning back here. It's gotten more dirty since I cleaned it. And we got the seats. I haven't gotten to the seats. A little bit of stuff on the floor there. Door panels look good. And then on the inside here, got another door panel looking good. Seat's okay. Dash is looking good. Everything is looking good in here. And then under the hood, this is the part I'm most excited about because I did all this myself. There it is. Almost complete. There's one hose that didn't come with the car right there, and that goes to the valve cover under there. But other than that, it's all here. I think, pretty sure it's all here. Filled the reservoir, got oil, got transmission fluid, got coolant. This is all ready to go. I thank you guys for joining me on this journey. It was fun. Journey. That's funny. That's funny, because it's a journey. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Don't know what it's going to be. Probably something on my 71. Talk to you later.